Aikari ralienda magomeirwo ni kigiriko kurumirira kwaga kwa mugitiri wa Raila Odinga niwe Maurice Ogeta uria uraribotirwo kwaga muthenya wa ira agithii wira-ini. Ndumiriri ya mutongoria wa ukinyaniria wa kiama kia ODM Philip Etale augite ni mageretie kumukinyira na njira ya thimu no ni gukoretwo gukiringa ihiga kuona thimu yake ni horetio na riu maroria thirikari makoro maikimera munini kana uyu ukoragwo kirugamirira mutongoria wa kiama kia Azimio Raila Odinga ariko.
As a family, I'm Chris Ogeta, younger brother to Maurice Ogeta, who is now away from us. The report trending is that he was kidnapped. That is what we have for now. Up to date, we are not aware about. So we are currently asking the government. Being my brother, Maurice Ogeta, wasn't a politician, but was just a guard to one of our own Raila Odinga. So the family is really in pain and asking for his release if the government knows his whereabouts. And we are pretty sure this is more political than any other thing. Let the government release the brother. We are really in pain. And we are not going to sit, watch as he goes. Since morning, as early as 6 in the morning, I've to reach my brother, but all in vain. All his lines are not working, and we are very much worried. So, let the government release our brother, Maurice Ogeta.
Mimi maneno mingi kwa mtoto wangu kama bado na yeye macho yangu nitasema mingi kama naona hiyo tu. Mimi naomba nyinyi nipe mtoto wangu, saidia na mtoto wangu.
Henry Ogeta. At the moment, I'm the second born for the children of Ogeta who are still alive. I'm very annoyed. I can't reach my brother. I'm having many orphans in this home. We have buried many people. We want the government of Dr. William Ruto to produce my brother. He was just a guide for our Prime Minister Raila Odinga, and he was not on duty. We want him to be produced today.